My name is Coco. I am based in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm currently on my way to Singapore. I am backpacking through Southeast Asia for probably 3 months, and I'm starting in Singapore. It's currently 11 p.m. here in Las Vegas. From here, I'm doing a red eye to Chicago. From Chicago, I then will go to Zurich, Switzerland. It's my first time in Switzerland. I'm so excited, and it's a 16-hour layover. So as you can imagine, I'll be exhausted along with the jet lag. And then I will go from Zurich to Singapore, my final destination. All of this lasts about 3 days, so it's currently May 21st in Las Vegas, and I won't get to Singapore until Friday, May 24th. So talk about an exhausting travel experience, but also probably my longest travel experience. So from Las Vegas to Chicago, I'm taking Frontier. For the rest of my trip, I am flying in Swiss Air in their business class. With that being said, however, this is my first ever business class flight. I am super excited. I never thought that I'd be flying for business class. I want to say first class, but it's business class. My parents dropped me off tonight. It was kind of emotional because I didn't really tell them when I was going to come back. I personally don't know when I'm going to come back, but I'm on a mission. I feel so nervous and excited to go on this trip, but overall, I think it'll be the trip of a lifetime. Okay, everyone, so just for context, I flew in from Las Vegas to Chicago last night. My flight was supposed to leave at 11 p.m. and it got postponed, literally, or delayed until basically 2 in the morning. I was supposed to have a 9-hour layover here in Chicago, but that didn't happen. It was more like a 6-hour layover. I checked in, my first ever business class checking in, and then now I took a risk and I came to a different terminal so I can go to the United Polaris business class lounge. I have never been. It's my first time, so I'm walking there now. Thankfully, there is a bus transfer from Terminal 1 to Terminal 5, which is where Swiss Air is. That's the airline that I'm taking to get to Singapore. So I'm going to be here probably just a quick second. I just want to stop by, see what it's like.
We're surrounded by...
Okay, I just made it to Terminal 5, which is where my flight departs from. I'm currently looking for the... Oh, okay, I found the lounge. I will turn it around. It says the SAS Lounge. Huh. I'll show you. Oh, period. Yeah, for drinks. It's very quiet in here, so I'm telling myself not to disturb the peace by doing that. Love it. That's a rosé. Cheers. There is no chugging here. I wish my parents were here.
Thank you.
It's 1:44. I'm gonna go to the gate because it's time to board my first ever business class flight. It's so crazy. I'm about to board the flight. I'm so excited, so nervous. 1989 Taylor's version just came on. I feel so rich. I feel so luxury. This is not real. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Very good. My first business class flight. I'm so excited. Yeah. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. I'm about to board the plane. Hi, how are you?
Welcome aboard. Fine, thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you.
I will wait until the other passengers are here. Yeah, no
Ask
problem.
if someone can
Otherwise, it's
change.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is me. Oh my gosh. This is not real. Holy cow, guys. I am officially on my first ever business class flight. I got what is known as the throne seat, so it's just me. This is exclusive, I guess, to Swiss Air. It is so cool that I basically have a row to myself. Like, in economy, you dream that people miss their flight and that they can go and that you'll be on a row by yourself. But oh my god, this is my seat. This is just really emotional for me. I'm such a baby. I'll try to do a tour, but they gave me a pillow. They gave me a very nice blanket or like bedding for my lay down seat. They gave me seems like an amenity kit. I'll go ahead and open that right now. And I'll show you around the seat as well. So they have a screen. It's like I'm 5'11", so do what you will with that. It's like it comes with headphones, so that's very nice. I get a bottle of water, also very nice, thank God. I'm like dying of thirst. Seems like informational literature here. Comes with the hanger. Wow, this is what the buttons look like. Let's see if it'll focus on it. Oh, it's working. I'm scared. Never mind. What's this? I pressed this button, and then this came out. I'm guessing this is like where I eat. Okay, well, mind blown is an understatement. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record this video. Yeah, well, mind blown is an understatement. I feel very blessed and humbled to be here. It's literally just a seat, but you know, if you travel a lot, you know, like what it's like to be uncomfortable in seats and just having to do long haul flights. This is just crazy to me that I'm here, that I'm going to Singapore. It's also crazy. This has been such a great experience, and the trip is just barely getting started. Okay, so I have to do the amenity kit still. It seems like we're about to get a drink, so I'm excited for that. I'll try to move it so that you can see.
Welcome. Do you like welcome drinks? Hi.
Yes.
This is champagne, and the pink one is with elderflower. No alcohol in the pink one.
No alcohol?
No alcohol in
Okay,
the
I
pink
like
one.
alcohol. Cheers. This is Swiss Air.
English, German? English.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the amenity kit or else I will get distracted and start crying again, just to be so honest. So, it comes in this black hard case box. I got it open. First reveal. So it seems like it comes with 2 compression socks. It comes with a bamboo toothbrush, which is very, very nice because I packed my toothbrush away. Let's see. This is probably toothpaste, so I don't know if it'll focus, but it is the Humble Company toothpaste fresh mint. It's a very small tube, good enough for one flight. Oh, lip balm. I suffer from dry lips on flights, so this is perfect. I will take that on my travels. Earplugs, also perfect. I listen to music though, but I stay in hostels, so this will be perfect. And then it seems like an eye mask, also perfect for staying in hostels. It's drenched in lavender, so that's interesting. So, toothbrush, toothpaste, lip balm, earplugs, and then 2 socks, which I guess I'll put on in the middle of the trip. And that's the amenity kit. Very, very awesome. I'm just noticing this light here. Oh wow. How do you turn this shit on? Oh, period. Oh, there's a light on over your shoulder, I guess. I don't have any books to read, but that's really cool if you did, like if you had a newspaper. I don't know what to do with all of this. This feels like a lot. Economy, they give you nothing. Here they give you too much. I'm overwhelmed. Am I not built for business class? Got it.
I will serve you. My name is Florine. I will do my best. Just, yeah, Florine.
Florine, okay.
Yes,
Nice to meet you, Florine.
This is your menu.
Yes.
So this is for breakfast. You
Okay.
can cross whatever you want for breakfast. It will come with a tray. And you can write your seat number and ask if you want us to wake you up or not. If you're sleeping, if you want us to wake you up or not.
Thank you very much.
And here, I will show you because it's your first time.
Oh, thank you.
Here's the menu for today.
Okay.
And you have always 4 options: beef, chicken, fish, and vegetarian. So you can choose, and then yeah, it will come with so 1 tray for the first meal, then the
Oh wow.
the hot meal, and then
All
the
right.
dessert, coffee,
Okay.
etc.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
I really appreciate it.
course.
So I'll take pictures of the menu and I'll post it on the screen for you all to see. These people are probably traumatized from seeing me just being emotional. Someone just broke a glass and she's so nice. Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. I think she's German. Zurich? Swiss? Danish? Danish? No, Danish is Denmark. Swiss. Oh. Okay, it seems like they're coming around with something else. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Can you believe like I'll never experience this again? Like my first business class trip, I'll never experience this situation again. Like this is all probably run of the mill for people that do this every day, but not for me. Thank you very much. Oh, it's a hot towel. It's scented of something. I don't know if this is supposed to go on your face or not. It looks like no.
Guard.
Okay, I was like,
You're
I
done?
didn't finish.
Oh,
No,
yeah, of course.
I know.
No stress, no stress.
Real. So after takeoff, they ended up coming up back with beverages. I just got a rosé. It was very nice. And then they also came with nuts. And I also got sparkling water. And then she's coming right now. So let's see what she is going to do. Again, at 5'11", I have more than enough room.
Prepare your table.
it's a whole system. It's really dangerous.
Well, I know. This is...
Would you like something to drink with your first course? You can try everything.
Yeah,
for your first time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Of course.
I have experienced nothing but niceness on this Swiss Air business class flight. Obviously, every flight attendant is very nice, but I can definitely tell the difference in attention to customer service and just detail. I told her that it's my first business class flight, and she's always like, just try everything. It's your first business class flight. So I really appreciate that. She's awesome.
Here you have an Italian sauce. We have the French as well, if you prefer. We have 2 types of bread. The one with the whole grain or the white one. If you want the white one, I will take it from the back. It's fine, sorry. We have to recharge it. Would you like the olive oil with the bread? It's really good with salt.
Yes, thank
you can try it.
We just had an amazing 5-course dinner. It was crazy. But as you can see, they dimmed the lights and it is now time to go to sleep. And this is, as someone who has always wanted to fly business class, this is something I've looked forward to the most, being able to recline all the way back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Again, they gave us a pillow. They gave us I think it's a sheet or some sort of bedding. Yeah, so we're about to do it. There is a button here that says bed. This is my first time pressing it. So, moment of truth. goes all the way down, it seems like. Holy. Ooh, chow. This is legit. Oh my gosh. There's like... Okay, so keep in mind I'm 5'11". My feet are definitely touching the bottom, and my head is definitely touching the top. I can get away with it by laying diagonally. Also, me just laying down. Hi, this is me. So as long as I lay diagonally, I'll be fine. Let me place my pillow down. Good night, everyone. I will check in when I wake up. Ooh, how exciting. This has all been so cool. All right, bye-bye. Leaving my first ever business class flight. The flight attendant actually gifted me like a bag of chocolates with this Swiss Air plushy plane toy. It was very nice of her and unexpected, and I repeat this, I have experienced nothing but niceness on Swiss Air, and I highly recommend it. So for context now, I have a pretty long layover. My next flight is going to be to Singapore. That isn't until literally 11 p.m. tonight, and it's presently 6:30, so quite a long layover. The weather's a little bit dark here, but it's also kind of early. That might be why. Let me show you. That was the plane. I think I'm gonna go to the city center just to say I discovered a little bit of Switzerland. Obviously, I'd like to make a trip out of it here on a different occasion, and then come back to the airport so I can experience the lounges here. Since I'm flying Swiss Air and it's based in Switzerland, I imagine that the lounges here would be pretty impressive, maybe, I don't know. I have no experience in lounges, but that experience on business class, my first ever business class flight, was so nice. As you can tell in the video, I was very emotional because it's like a dream come true, and you can't help but feel like you wish your parents, your siblings, whoever you wish was there with you experiencing it. Anyways, I won't babble on anymore. I just wanted to update you. If I do decide to go to City Center, I'm sure I'll vlog that. But I reckon I might go to the lounge first to freshen up just a little bit, to check it out, and also just to get my location in order, because I guess I have to figure out where I'm at right now. So yeah, that's my little update. Thank you. Thank you. It's like an interview.
Why we're surrounded by
And then 1989 Taylor's version keeps playing in the background, so.